Smith. So we are the group 4 and we are going to present the handover of duties from officer to officer. So our scenario is at port where the master and chief officer at bridge and the AB and cadet will be the relieving officer. So I am the captain, Gustos, and chief officer Gabalit Bilandres, and cadet Congales and AB Gabales. So at bridge, AB chief officer and master is on duty and relieved by cadet for the 22 to 200 hours duty.
Kita set.
Liga, jadi kepala sudah kalian, distribution to come up on board, sir.
Go aboard. So, within cadet, you will have the 22 to 2400 hours duty. You will be assisted by AB Gabales.
Good evening, cadet. Good evening, AB.
Bye.
Cadet, come here. Please listen. Logbook is here. Security around hit done. All secure. Sure power stable. No cargo. Gangway left. Secure. Mooring line check. Tension and flooding tide. High water at 2200 hotel. Pilot for 600 hotel tomorrow. Pre-departure checklist on desk. Master desk. Please check this.
Cadet, vigilant watch for safety and security. Regular diagrams focusing on mooring, gangway left, and any hazard. You will be assisted by AB.
Understood, sir. Regular rounds, mooring, gangway, and hazard, sir.
Chief officer, any specific instruction?
Aye, sir. Cadet Congales. Aye, sir. Security is the key. Ensure access and report unauthorized personnel. Monitor fishing boats. Keep safety distance. Be aware of tides and mooring line. Monitor monitoring boats and tides. AB. Assist Cadet Congales with around monitor security from deck. Do assigned tasks. Keep gangway left, safety left.
Sir, I will receive to stay kalian for every hour.
Cadet, any question?
No, sir. Now,
Chief officer,
yes, sir.
ensure that cadet knows the master list and emergency procedures and safety equipments.
Cadet, come here. Please follow. Master list here. Emergency procedure is here. Power plan is here. Ask if insured. I sure. I will review another. Good EP. Initial with around Cadet Congales. Show mooring, tension, gangway, securing fire equipment.
So, while AB Congales and AB Gabales and Cadet Congales at deck securing the gangway and mooring tension at bridge, the captain and chief officer is at remain. Chief officer, thank you. I will leaving the bridge. Radio is on. Call me if there's any hazards or any circumstances here in our vessel.
I, sir. I will briefly, still briefly.
Thank you. At deck, Cadet Vocales and AB Gabales continue their morning checks and gangway check.
Sir, can I give a question on how to check pregnant tension?
Pregnant tension. This is how we do that. So indicators here. Get within range. Range. Not with tight. Not too good for it.
Quick sense now, sir. So how about gummy check?
Road 6 cadet. So this only go. Secure both ends. Starting rails. Safety. Net good. Lighting and grip cadet.
Sir.
So they continue their rounds. After they done their rounds, Cadet Vocales and AB Gabales go back to bridge and report to Chief Mate.
Sir. Sir, mooring good for now. We'll monitor tide, gangway security. No unauthorized personnel. Good, Cadet. Hourly around, minimum around. Watch fishing boats armed with whistle if close.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Leaving you in charge, Cadet Mungales. Cabin if needed. Captain on radio. Call if any concern.
Thank you, sir. I will now proceed to video.
Klaro kay cellphone, no?
After 1 hour and 30 minutes of the watch of Cadet, AB Gabales called bridge on VHF.
Bridge. This is cadet. Over.
Hey, be free. Go ahead over.
Cadet. Small fishing boat very close to third. Fishing yard top deck. Over.
Roger that. TV things coming to after deck. Standby over.
Welcome. Standing by. Over.
Cadet and Navy continue their watch. 5 minutes before the cadet watch is over, the relief officer go to bridge for the handover of documents and for the relief for the duty. Good evening, Cadet. I will relieve you.
Thank you, sir. Quiet watch. Fishing boat issue handled. Mooring good. Tide rising. Gangway security. Logbook here.
Okay, Cadet. Thank you. I will check your logbook. Good, Cadet. Your logbook is clear. It's very nice and concise. I think you will have the promotion for your next contract. Okay, Cadet. Have a nice rest. Thank you for your watch. The Navy, thank you.
So, thank you, sir. Good night. Sir Gabales, my watch is over. Thanks for the help.
Over.
Bye.